This battery is a bit fiddly to get out, but I need to keep a close eye on the two different wires for the battery to make sure they're going the right way, but at least they're labelled properly. I think it's stuck down. I probably should have used a heat tool, but we're in it now. It's a slightly different size, but it's still a 3.7 volt. So hopefully that should be fine. That was straightforward. Right, there we go. Right then, I guess it's just time to put it back together. Just got to put these two screws in and that should be it done. Fortunately, the thread on that one feels damaged. Make sure it's all pressed in. And that should be it. Yeah. It's on. Full battery apparently. I need to go chuck it on charge upstairs, but that's it.